So, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. As you can see, we are back to Ghana. So, now I just realized that in our previous videos we showed you our pumpkin. So I realized that the pumpkin has matured, some of them. So want to do some harvesting, okay? And please follow me. Philip, come. So the dry season still persists. So as you can see, this is one of our first pumpkin. Okay, so we want to harvest it. We'll just cut it off from here. So this is pumpkin, first pumpkin. We have one there, but that is still developing. It's still small. Wow, this is huge. Beautiful people, this is huge. Philip, pumpkin. Okay. Wow, this tray is so small. This tray, you can see, is so small. Okay, let me leave it here. I want to go and harvest the second one. Manuela, pumpkin. Okay. Wow, beautiful people. Wow, beautiful people. I can see we have some pumpkin and mushroom. Wow, this is so beautiful. We have some turkey berry around. So turkey berry plants, one has to be very careful. They have sharp objects. So okay, wow, this is our mushroom and pumpkin. Okay, let me harvest the mushroom, the pumpkin first. Ooh, this is another huge pumpkin. The mushrooms are very healthy plants. Wow, they are much. These are fresh mushrooms, and this is the good one. The edible ones, you see, they are like meat. Wow, I need to clear here. Okay. Manuela, this is mushroom. Sorry. Okay. Wow. Mushroom. Hey, Philip, be careful.
Don't eat it.
It's eatable, but they need to wash it and cook it. Okay, Philip, leave it. Go eat it, eh? Mommy will use it to prepare food. Yes. Wow. They are much. Wow. Look at this, very big.
Ow.
I'm going to pick the big ones and leave the small ones. It's still, they're still getting big. Wow. Philip, please leave that knife. Wow. Please.
Ow.
Don't let it touch the ground, please.
The bubble.
We're going to leave some. Some has not fully matured. Philip, please don't touch the mushroom. Mommy will use it to prepare delicious food. Oh, we're going to do some cleanup. Okay, I think that is enough. Let me see. Okay, these ones are, I think, over matured, but they are still good. Wow, they are large. Okay. Okay, Philip, hey, give me the knife. Okay, beautiful people. This is our mushroom. I'm going to leave this. Philip, quiet. I'm going to leave this. We'll harvest it maybe tomorrow or another day so that they will grow bigger. This is Manuela. Yeah, let's go. Be careful. The turkey berry, sharp object. Hey, Philip, go. Manuela, move. Bend down. Move. Philip, move. Beautiful people, we have a turkey berry. Turkey berry have sharp objects. Manuela, can you get the other pumpkin? Yes. Philip, lead the way. So, leave it. So, beautiful people, this is our harvest, our pumpkin. Wow, this is huge. Beautiful people, this is huge. Okay, pumpkin. So, this is our mushrooms. You can see. So we are going to prepare them. So beautiful people, thank you for joining us. This is our harvest for today. Okay, this is our harvest for today. This is pumpkin. pumpkin and mushroom. This mushroom, wow, I didn't expect this. This is huge. I don't know if they want to sell this. I don't know how much it will, but it's not for sale. This is, we are going to use it to prepare, like just watch out for the video. We are going to use it to prepare a delicious food. Mushroom and our harvest, mushroom and pumpkin. The other pumpkin is there. So this is very beautiful, very lovely, very lovely harvest. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Okay, subscribe if you are just seeing us for the first time, or if this is the first time of tuning in. Please kindly turn up the notification bell to all. Press that red button if you have not done so. Okay, so watch out in our next video how we are going to prepare use this mushroom to prepare food, and watch out for another video how we are going to use this pumpkin to prepare, you know, food. So see you in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah!